Chery is taking a very different approach to the car buying experience. Instead of removing the parts people dislike, they are bringing in a robot to replace the human salesperson. Yes, you heard that right. Chery's South Africa division has created a life-size robot called AiMOGA, introduced recently at Auto Shanghai, and it will soon be greeting customers at Chery 4S dealerships in Malaysia. AiMOGA is a female-shaped robot built with bionic limbs, rocking blonde hair, and wearing blue sunglasses. Powered by Chery GPT and DeepSeek artificial intelligence, she can understand natural language and respond in conversation. AiMOGA can even walk around, gesture, dance, and play interactive games with customers. It sounds futuristic, but when you dig deeper, it feels like a step backward. In a demonstration video, she points out the sleek profile, praises the comfortable seats, and rolls through every sales line in the book. Even with all this new technology, it seems dealerships are clinging to the same outdated tactics that have frustrated customers for decades. These days, people have endless information at their fingertips. Whether it is technical specs, feature breakdowns, or pricing, a simple online search can reveal more than any salesperson or robot could ever cover in one visit. Consumers are not looking for cheesy pitches. They want transparency, ease, and respect for their time. That is why so many automakers are pushing to sell directly to buyers. Despite that, Chery is moving ahead with AiMOGA robots in Malaysia. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all the latest news.